In this section, I will demonstrate how you can withdraw cash from local Bitcoin plus plus exchange. To be able to do that, you need to already have some balance into the exchange. In this account, I have 204 Indian rupees and I want to withdraw, let's say 10 rupees from this exchange. I will head on to deposit withdraw cash section. I will provide the currency, which is INR, and I want to withdraw 10 rupees from the system. I will click withdraw cash and I will provide my UPI ID where I want to receive this cash. Once that is done, I will click OK, and now the request has been registered with the exchange, and the exchange will notify one of our cashier, uh, and the cashier, once it receives the request, it will check my balance and return me 10 rupees to the UPI ID I have provided. It is worth mentioning that I had a 204 rupees balance, so the maximum amount I can withdraw was 204. The system has already deducted 10 rupees and now my balance is 194, and depending upon the time you are withdrawing, it can take like a minute to receive your money or it could take some hours as well, but we hope that within 24 hours you will receive your money back. So that's how you withdraw cash from our exchange. That's it for this tutorial and I will see you in next section. Thank you.